Before we get into this video, I need to shamelessly plug myself in. I need you all to go to the description box, click the link, vote for me to make top 10 of my group to be featured on the cover of Maxim magazine and win $25,000 as the grand prize. I would really appreciate it if you all help me out. So, like I said, click the link, description box, help your girl out. Much love will be appreciated. Many blessings to you. So the first makeup tip that I saw was to take a translucent powder. I used a pressed powder, but it is a transparent color, and you put that on your face before you do any of your makeup. This is great for me. I personally like using it. I definitely incorporate it into my everyday makeup look at this point because, like I said, I like to stay matte, I like to stay dry, and it's also much easier for me to put my makeup on top of a powder versus it just being the oils on my skin. I am not the best at doing my makeup. I would like to be so much better, and since practice makes perfect, I decided why not try out these tips that the people that do know how to make up have put out there. And I saw these on various social sites and decided this would be the great time to practice. So the first makeup tip that I saw is great for me because I have oily skin, and especially now that I have hot flashes, I like to keep my face as dry and matte as possible. But the next makeup tip is probably my favorite just because I love wing eyeliner. I used to be like bomb at wing liner in high school, but I guess since I stopped wearing wing lines, I just kind of lost my motion in my hand for it. So I saw this makeup hack on TikTok to where you basically start your wing from the bottom of your eyelid and then draw it up or out. I used to start at the end corner of the top of my eyelid, and it just never really looked the way I wanted it to, and that's probably because I was doing it wrong. It's definitely a lot easier if I start from the bottom and then pull the wing out and then fill in from the middle to the end. And for the last makeup hack, again, I'm sorry I'm out of frame, but this is concealing under the eyes. I have always had flashback fail me when I'm concealing under the eyes. So with this trick, it makes it a lot easier for me to conceal under my eye without it looking too cakey. If that's even what yeah, I guess it does look cakey, but essentially you just put a little bit of concealer in the corners of your eyelids, so at the front corner and then at the end corner, and blend in from there, so that way you are highlighting, targeting right underneath the eye and not so much highlighting your cheek area as I have in the past. So since I like my makeup to look light, this concealing hack has definitely made it look more natural because, like I said, I have hot flashes, I sweat a lot, so I don't wear as much makeup as I would like to, especially during the day. Since I was getting ready for the day, I decided to put some mascara on my bottom lashes just so that my face doesn't look too washed out or flat. So I decided just to put some powder on so I don't look shiny, don't look oily, I just look, you know, cute. I had no complaint with any of these tips. I appreciate all the makeup artists that put their knowledge out there for people like me that have no idea what they're doing, because I will definitely be using these tips from now on. So enjoy the bloopers. Okay.
for all 3 classes. I need to get to the printer, K-Drip, because it's messing up. I can't get in at all. Baby, hold this door because I don't want it to hit my breast.
I was just about to ask you if you wanted to ride his ass with me.
Who, me?
Oh, okay, good. I was hoping her hair was to a point, but she still does video.
Yes, because...
If you made it to the end of this video, just know that I greatly appreciate you and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned in by subscribing and I'll holla at y'all later.